This is a futuristic multimeter. Welcome to today's video where we'll be taking an in-depth look at the Kaiweets KM601 digital multimeter. This compact and easy-to-use multimeter is packed with features and is perfect for a wide range of applications, including electrical troubleshooting, automotive repair, and home DIY projects. Let's unbox this multimeter. The first thing we get is the instruction. And in this nice case is our multimeter. Nice case design. Let's see what we have inside. One more manual. Type thermocouple. Test leads. And battery pack. Here we go. At first view, this multimeter has a futuristic design. In this review, we will focus more on its practicality and operation. The KM601 has a large, easy-to-read LCD display, also has a rubberized non-slip grip, which makes it easy to hold and use, even in wet or oily environments. First we need to insert the batteries we received. You will need a Phillips screwdriver here. Now we insert the batteries according to the marked polarities. And here is a ready-to-use multimeter. Such a great design and good screen. The buttons are well made. Let's see how it performed in the measurement test. First we'll test 9V and 3V battery. Very accurate, I did not expect this. You can get this multimeter at the link in the video description. Now we will test the 3V battery. Let's see how it performs in high voltage testing. And let's see the resistance measurement. The lower group of resistors has a resistance of 500 ohms, while the upper group of resistors has a resistance of 1000 ohms. It measures resistance very precisely. But this multimeter has one feature that other multimeters do not have, and that is non-contact voltage measurement. Pretty good. This is a multimeter lamp. It is quite strong and you can work with it even in a dark place. The dimensions of this multimeter are like a mobile phone. Fits in your pocket and is easy to carry. If you want to get this multimeter, you can check link in video description. See you in the next video.